In this lecture, we will learn how to upgrade a release to change its configuration when needed. We have talked about upgrades and rollback with Helm in one of the previous lectures. We have said that after installing a Helm chart, over time we may want to change the configuration of the application, so we may want to upgrade a release after its creation, and if the upgrade fails, we have to roll back to one of the previous versions. All of that is done through revisions in Helm. Helm creates the first revision for a release when it is installed, and then whenever we upgrade or roll back the release, Helm creates a new revision for that release. And each revision records the changes done for that release, providing a powerful version control for Kubernetes applications. So we will start here by installing a Helm chart using the Bitnami WordPress chart. We will call the release WordPress app, and we will override the WordPress blog name. So it will be set to first blog name instead of the default value, which is user's blog. So now the release has been created, and if we view the values supplied by the user when installing the chart using the Helm get values command, we see that the WordPress blog name is set to first blog name. We can also view the history of the release by executing the Helm history command followed by the release name. This command will display the revisions that are created during the life of the release. So now by executing the Helm history command followed by WordPress app, we see that the WordPress app release has only one revision created when the chart was installed. To upgrade a release, we use the Helm upgrade command followed by the release name and the chart reference. So we can use this command if a new version of the chart is released and we want to move to this new version, or when we want to change the configuration of the existing release. So an upgrade takes an existing release and upgrades it according to the information that we provide. For example, if we want to change the WordPress blog name of the release that we have installed previously, we can use the Helm upgrade command followed by the release name, which is WordPress app, the reference to the chart that we are using, which is the Bitnami WordPress chart here, followed by the -- set option to set the WordPress blog name parameter to the new blog name that we want to use, for example, new blog name. By executing this command, the release will be upgraded and a message will be displayed on top of the output of the Helm upgrade command to confirm that the upgrade has been performed successfully. To verify whether the new settings took effect or not, we can execute the Helm get values command, and now we see that the WordPress blog name is set to new blog name as we mentioned in the Helm upgrade command. If we view the history of the WordPress release again, we will notice that the release has now two revisions because a new one is created during the upgrade process. So what we have to know here is that every time we create a release by installing a chart, the revision number of that release starts with 1, and then whenever an upgrade or rollback happens, the revision number is incremented by 1. Whenever the upgrade fails or we are unhappy with the upgrade process for any reason, we can roll back to one of the previous revisions by executing the Helm rollback command followed by the release name and the revision number. For example, here, if we are unhappy with the new configuration of the WordPress app release, we can roll back to the first revision by executing the Helm rollback command, followed by WordPress app, the name of the release, and the revision number, which is 1. After executing this command, a message will be displayed confirming that the release was rolled back successfully. So if we list the revisions now using the Helm history command, we notice that a third revision was created during the rollback process. And if we list the user supply value using the Helm getValues command, we notice that we are back to the first value that we have set when installing the chart. So that's all about upgrades and rollback with Helm. I hope that everything is clear, and thank you very much.